In this video, we'll see the types of questions asked during personal interview at SSB. Calm down, rapid fire, stress, social problem, organizing skills, technical questions, GK and current affairs. Calm down questions, basically introduction, name, parents, where are you from, etc. Rapid fire questions are based on PIQ and SDT, and they want to basically investigate your details which you furnished here, especially your hobbies and the curricular activities, because this is where candidates try to inflate. So you should write only as much as you actually know about these hobbies and curricular activities. Now, then comes stress questions. Now, these questions are basically questions asked over a single topic to bring out your natural tone and personality. Here, interviewing officers sometimes become very aggressive, ask question in a threatening tone. Sometimes questions are irrelevant. Sometimes questions are asked from subjects which are not related to your background at all. Example: what is the difference in brake system of train and bus? So suppose that you answered this. Then he'll ask you that what type of fluid is used in hydraulic brakes? You again answer this. Then he'll ask you, okay, why this fluid, why not this fluid? So like that he'll continue grilling you on a particular question. Basically he's trying to see your temperament, your knowledge, how you tackle the situation when you hit the dead end. And when you hit the dead end, you say politely that, sir, I'll try to find out about this thing, and I told you all the details to best of my knowledge. Organizing ability related questions. So these are basically asked to bring out your leading abilities. Like you've been asked to take an industrial tour, so how will you organize it? Or if you play the game or sport, so you'll be asked that how will you organize, how will you take your college team to another college, what logistics, etc. you'll take care of, etc. Then candidate solution questions are also asked. Some live problems are thrown, like how do you suggest to resolve terrorism issue at India, or population explosion at India, and like that. So you must have some knowledge about current happenings. Technical and applied knowledge questions. Now these questions are asked from the candidates who are at borderline. There are many candidates, they are very good at their own subject, but they are not good at other subjects. So at borderline cases, these questions are asked. The questions could be related to your particular branch. Like how will you apply the Pythagoras theorem to the table tennis service, etc. GK and current affair questions are generally, there's no particular session for these, but these questions are incidentally asked during every type of question, come down questions or rapid fire questions or any question, this thing. At appropriate places, these questions are shot to you. So, hope my video is clear. Jai Hind. Thank you.